Hello everyone! You're back again with me, Dietitian from Pantai Hospital, Batu, Pahat. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys have an amazing day today. Since Raya season is coming up, I have an idea how to jazz up your Pagi Raya by making a homemade jam. I mean, what could be better than making a handmade date paste that has no artificial colors, no preservatives, and the sugars are coming from natural sources? You can make it as a top spread, toppings for your Hari Raya cookies, or even snack on its own because it tastes so good and it's easy to make. So let's get rolling!
All you need is 4 pitted dates, 10 grams of walnut, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of hot water, and lastly, half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Blend it all until it becomes a thick paste, and there you go! A healthier version of Nutella. Selamat Hari Raya!